So I'm working on a 2019 Grand Cherokee with a no start. Also the cluster is showing no bus. The first thing we did is we checked the battery to see if it's good. It failed the test, both batteries, the auxiliary and the main batteries. So we replaced that first to see if it will fix the problem. It didn't, so we did more in-depth test on this. And as you look at the, as I hooked up my YTAC to communicate on the car, you can see the bus going offline and then come back online. And upon doing the further investigation, we saw a bunch of rodent poop on the spare tire area, so it kind of made us think that there is a wiring problem that's probably been chewed up. So we checked on the both quarter panel first. We didn't see anything until we followed through the wire all the way down to the second row B pillar area. We found the harness getting chewed up right there. So this explains everything why the no bus, no communications, on and off. It's either one of those wires shorting out each other and cutting off the communication, on and off. So if you have that problem, so you might want to start looking for some rodent infestation and chewed up wires and shit like that. Alright, so we're gonna, since it's a communication wire, we might end up like replacing the whole harness. It really depends on what the customer wants. Let's see where his budget is, so we'll see.